Join us, MrTruck.com, for truck reviews, trailer reviews, and accessory reviews. Well, it's Kent from MrTruck.com here at the State Fair of Texas. It's usually a big place for the media event they have the day before the fair starts, with all the manufacturers bringing their best, newest, latest. And it's big because Texas is the biggest truck buying state. They have the most trucks, so it's important. So this year, I don't know what's going on. They only had 2 on the list. Usually they have a big whoop-de-doo press conference for each brand. This year, the only ones on the schedule were Ram at the beginning. There was the one that serves breakfast, and Toyota. Of course, Toyota got the new Tundra, but Ford has new Maverick. Lightning, new Bronco, and I know there's another one. They have a lot of trucks out this year. here. I filmed them, videoed them, but there's no press conference. Nobody here to ask questions to. Nobody to tell you anything. And Frontier is here with Nissan, the new truck, and it's there. I did a video with it. I got one of their group to walk around and show me all about it, but they didn't have a press conference. And I just saw the ZR2 Chevrolet, the new off-road half-ton for 22, and it's here. I took video of it, but there is nobody here to talk to. And now behind me, this is a game truck that's out of some video game. So it's not the real thing, it's the video game, but they've made a truck, you know, like that game. So you can sign up here or go play your game and do whatever. But yeah, I had to get inside the air conditioning. It's always hot in Texas in September. But I was rather disappointed that all these new trucks are out and there's only a couple of them that are here. Ram had like 3 different editions. It's here I am at, you know, one of the biggest truck shows in the country, and I'm pretty disappointed with how it's turned out. So I don't know exactly what's going on, if they're just too busy with a Detroit show or what it is, but they didn't tell me. But it's nice, and because the fair's not really open, there are no concessions. So Steve Parrott with Nissan took me to lunch, which was nice. Saw a big text, the statue, but there's none of their famous corn dogs for sale yet. That all starts tomorrow. But anyway, a lot of stuff to look at here. If you're anywhere near the State Fair in Dallas, come by and see all the stuff. You can see them. You just can't find out a lot of information about them.
Don't go away, Mr. Truck.tv. We'll be right back.
Cool. All right, have fun. Okay. TRX Airborne. This is an airborne mission. Oh, wait, was there a step or what? How do I just get up there? Yeah. Okay, let's see. 1 foot up on this. That's a rock rail or it's not a. Get out! Oh, jeez. Okay. Do I got a 4-point harness? Yeah, do I got a helmet? A helmet. What's your name?
I'm Shane. Nice to meet you.
Shane, nice to meet you. You got a Texas accent.
I got a Louisiana accent.
Well, it's close. Let me get
Awesome.
my seatbelt on.
Yes, sir.
Louisiana.
All the
You
way
probably
from
own one of these, don't you?
No, sir. No,
Okay.
I don't.
We're gonna go jumping and bumping, and holy cow, this is the berm. Whoa, we tip over, not quite. Oh, another berm. Holy cow. Are we gonna fall over or what?
Probably not. Probably not. We're
Okay,
good.
okay. Now, airborne, here we come. Well, that's fun.
There we go.
We're gonna have a bunch of people doing this next 24 days. Holy cow, I don't even know what I was pointing at, but I didn't see it. Cool.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Coming around, round 2.
Okay. Oh, pew! I can't get stabilization on this camera. Oh, there's the berm.
Got a little
Over
shaky.
to the side. Oh, goodness. Oh, I thought you could jump over that one. Holy cow, we really are tipping. And you folks got to come to Texas State Fair and ride in this TRX airborne whoopee. Oh. Airborne whoopee. Oh. That was at least 3 feet. I think we bottomed out the shock, so they probably don't bottom out. They're those ones that increase with
That's
air
right. That's right.
as you need to.
That's
Thank
right.
you.
Cool.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay.
Awesome.
I didn't lose all my voice. It changed a little bit.
TRX. These are 21s or 22s?
These are 21s.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yes, sir. All
I
right.
guess I didn't even look on there. You probably have the one that shows you the angle of your movement, whatever that's
Yes,
called.
sir. I
The
have all
approach.
kind of, yes, sir.
Somewhere.
There's all kind of different controls here. You can go to where we at here. Let's go back to home here. Of course, all your AM, FM. Let's go to here, and then it shows.
Yeah, it shows your side to side and your
Performance
front
here.
to back.
Water temperature. And,
Yeah.
And it even has a G-force gauge on there, showing you G-forces.
It's not that loud in here now. A lot of these, you know, you're really loud on the outside.
It's not bad at all.
It's not bad in
Real
here.
quiet.
No.
Real quiet.
So we have 4 or 5 of these here.
We have 6 here.
Wow.
6 here, I believe.
You
Yeah.
taking that, what are that monster truck over there in booth? Is it going to jump over these two?
I don't think the monster truck's going to make it today. But showing you G-forces here, and
Yeah.
go back to the gauges here.
That's
All the
awesome.
temperature gauges, coolant gauges, oil pressure, that sort of thing.
Shows your off-road angles, your left and right.
Yes, sir.
Your axis and all that.
You can dyno, you can
Yeah,
tune
the
it down.
dyno's awesome. I get
Tune
kicked
it
out of
down,
dyno.
Shows
Yeah,
all
it
your
sounds like
revs
a
and-
monster.
So it's cool, yes sir.
Well, cool. I'm gonna go out and video you guys jumping.
Awesome. Thanks for coming out.
Thank you. So the first press conference at the State Fair of Texas was the Ram, and they had 3 new featured trucks that they're going to be showing there. Here it shows the cabin chassis with a CM bed and the Big Tix trailer. But the first thing we're going to show you is the Ram 1500 TRX Ignition Edition. That's got those gorgeous colors, the orange and the black. And it's a well-appointed TRX trim offering performance truck buyers an even wider selection of unique content for even greater personalization. U.S. buyers will have to act quickly because there's only 875 of these puppies available. Let's see, it's got the graphics, the performance, exterior appearance straight from the factory. It's all ready to go. Level 2 equipment group includes a unique ignition exterior color and graphics, an 18-inch face black wheels, panoramic roof, sunray sprayed midliner, cargo tie down, step bed, LED cab mounted brake lights, and inside you got all those orange switches and stitches an embroidered TRX on the seat, copper carbon fiber accents, or head-to-head display, and it is one cool looking truck. It has a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 Hemi. Okay, I'm excited now. This is the new Longhorn South Fork edition. I used to watch Dallas all the time, every Friday night. That's awesome. Yep, they're using more and more things from Texas. And it replaces the limited Longhorn or 10th anniversary in the lineup and includes a multi-function tailgate. I guess that's I call the darn barn door. Deployable bed step, sprayed-in bed liner, metal pedal kit with Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tires. It's got adjustable cargo tie downs and hooks, the LED box lighting and cargo divider. And in the cab, it's got exclusive mountain brown interior leather. It's gorgeous. Standard bucket seats, suede door bolsters and leather inserts, and laser filigree detail, whatever that is. Manufacturer's suggested price on this puppy is $61,620 plus gross destination. And it too, like the other ones, will go on sale, I guess this fall. Fourth quarter is what they call it. But man, oh macro, I may have to get me one of these because I'm a big fan of Dallas, South Fork, and the Ewings, and all of that. That just cracks me up. The next new addition for 2021 is called the Ram Red Edition. The Ram, Jeep, and Fiat brands committed to a minimum of $4 million to the Global Fund between 21 and 23 to help fight health emergencies with Red. The 2022 Ram 1500 Ram Red Edition is part of that commitment. This edition is available in a limited crew cab configuration in either the V8 engine or the Eco Diesel V6 and features the red Ram grille and door badging. The red badge is also in the center console lid. Manufacturer's suggested retail price starts at $63,250. And you can buy those pretty soon. They come out in that fourth quarter of this year. So you can get that puppy ordered, and then you'll be able to, I guess this, I don't know if this part of this money goes to donating for this cause they're into for the Global Fund. But you probably can find that out on their website. But it's a well-equipped truck, and you can get that fourth quarter of this year, and you'll be all set. So anyway, it's time to go find my rental car and get back to that airport and fly back to Colorado. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the show. So I'm still confused and in Texas. Next time.